I lost 721 euros while building my first SaaS application. Also excited, the 1 month of coding finally launched it and I was met with crickets. I made one mistake and that was not validating my ID. I didn't check with the market if people wanted it, I just built it. And I learned this: you can create the best app ever, but if no one knows about it, it's the same as throwing a party and not sending any invitations. So lesson learned: before you spend time and money, check if people want it. How can you prevent it? By having a landing page. If you have an ID, explain your ID, let people read it. If they're interested, they can sign up. By this, you can check their needs, you can check their wants. With that, you can build a product that people actually want. I use Cart. It's a platform where you can build pages. They have templates, you can customize it. It's really cheap also, $19 for 10 websites with a custom domain. So you don't have any excuse. Validate your ID first, then make it.